How's it going? My name is Sal.
Hi, my name's Stomach, and this is my pal Smollett. He's a small intestine.
I sure am.
Alright, we're here for the presentation.
Well, let's get to it. As I said, my name is Sal, short for Salmonella. I've given myself a pretty bad reputation over my life. I guess that's what happens when you're the cause of some major food contamination cases. That's why I wanted to talk to you today. It turns out that I'm not all bad. Did you know that many bacteria and viruses, even harmful ones, can be used to fight diseases?
I don't buy it.
Yeah, that doesn't make much sense, Sal.
No, it's true. Here, I'll show you. A University of Minnesota research team, led by Dr. A. Greeno, has begun human trials in the clinic. They wanted to find a way to get all the infection and tumor-fighting powers of Salmonella without making a person sick. Here's what they've been doing. Building on earlier work in the lab by Dan Saltzman, the researchers genetically modified a batch of Salmonella to weaken it, and added in the ability to make something called interleukin-2.
Interleukin?
What?
Sounds made up.
Interleukin-2, or IL-2. You can think of it as a guard dog that sniffs around looking for threats inside the body. When it finds one, it calls in an attack by the immune system. Researchers thought that if they could make IL-2 in a tumor, the IL-2 would identify the cancerous cells as a threat and trigger an immune response to new tumors.
So if IL-2 is the important part, what does Salmonella have to do with this?
That's a really good question. Salmonella is important for two reasons. First, University of Minnesota researchers are looking for ways to treat cancers in organs around the gut, like the liver, spleen, and colon. Salmonella naturally finds its way to a person's gut and the lymph nodes in between. So if you're looking for a way to treat cancer in the liver or spleen, Salmonella is a perfect way to deliver a package of IL-2. You just drink it down with a few ounces of fluid. And there's more. It turns out the Salmonella actually likes to grow inside the cancer cells and may actually kill the cancer cells directly. So researchers have discovered that using Salmonella in this way kind of gives them a two-prong attack on cancer. The immune response called in by the IL-2 and the Salmonella itself. Now, keep in mind, this probably won't replace other ways of treating cancer like chemo or radiation therapy. But even so, researchers at the University of Minnesota think it's a promising area to study. In fact, there's a clinical trial underway right now.
Wow, Sal. Maybe you're not such a bad guy after all.
I had no idea you could be so helpful.
No problem, guys. I'm glad you took a minute to listen. So I'm just happy to do some good for once.